Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we got 3 new personal air conditioners from Torras. We got the Coolify Air, the Coolify 2S, and the Coolify Cyber. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the links up in the description. The price for the Coolify Air is $150, the 2S, $200, and the Cyber, $260. Let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white
shoes. Calm down. Okay, so we're going to start from least expensive to most expensive. First up, we got the Coolify Air. Now, like I said, this one's going to run you $150. Ultra light personal air conditioner. Now, this has cool, heat, and fan. Let's go through the specs. Matter of fact, let me get a little unboxing knife. Here we go. Right. Okay, now I'm going to save this plastic for the demo. All right, so this has golden cooling triangle. Okay. Charge while cooling. Okay, so you can plug this in and use it at the same time. Powered by Coolology. Okay, I'm stealing that word. Ergonomic fit, bladeless design, and 5,000 milliamp extended battery. Okay, so this will be the Coolify Air. Let's check this one out. Now, I'm a neck fan connoisseur, so this is right up my alley. Okay, so this is the Coolify Air. Now, check this out. Even if you got the Easter Island size head with a big back and a big neck, this is going to fit. Now, the problem that I have with a lot of these neck fans and neck air conditioners, they don't open up enough. I got a big neck. Look at this one. Okay, maximum neck fit. Okay, let's see what else you get. Usual books and shit, plug them and file them. Nice charging cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Now, for the actual fan itself, actually, we can't call this a fan. This is a personal air conditioner. Okay, right and left, shows you which way. You can feel the cooling plates. Matter of fact, let's check the temperature before we even turn it on. Okay, so the room temperature right now, as y'all can see, 67. Okay, 67. On the sides, let's see. 67 on that side. 67 on that side. Okay, here's your button. So we got power. Okay. That's cool. Okay. Matter of fact, let's get maximum. Okay, you see how I just turned red? That's heat. But we're going to leave it on cold. Ice cold. Okay. Let's see. Now, let me get that plastic. Hold on a second. All right, so let me show you how this works. You got 3 buttons. If you press this one first, you see it's green. That's just for the fan. So you got 3 different levels of fan. 1, 2, 3. Now you got 3 different levels of cool. 1, 2, and 3. And you also got 3 levels of heat. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to start off with the heat. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for a minute. Then we'll check the temperature. All right, so I left it on heat for about a minute, and it is definitely hot. Remember, when we took it out the box, it was on 67. Let's check it now. Look at that. It's at 100, 101. That is pretty dope. Now, we're going to turn on cool. So let's get maximum cool. All right, so we're going to let this sit for about a minute and see how much it cools down. All right, so I'll let it sit for about a minute. Now we got it on just cold, and the cooling plate is definitely colder. Let's see. Okay, now it's back in the 70s. Let's turn on the actual fan now. This is just cool, but let's do fan. So now we got cool and fan at the same time. Now you can see, let me see if I got something. This might be hard to demo to do. It's hard to see, but look at this. Yeah, Shoes felt that air. You can feel the air coming out of both of these, and the back is ice cold. Oh, this is dope. Get a nice stretch on this one. And again, you could turn off the fan and just have cool or just fan. Because sometimes it's a nice day. You're already kind of cool, but you just want some fan and you don't want to hold it in your hand. Now we got just fan. Let's do the cool again though. I would actually rock it like this. Maximum fan and maximum cooling. Oh, this is sick. Let me see. I got air coming out of both sides. Yeah, but you can feel it. And now you can hear it for yourself. This is pretty dope. All right, so this is the Coolify Air. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the Coolify 2S. Now this one's gonna run you $200. Let's see, this is a neck air conditioner with intensive cooling. Okay, so you got intensive cooling, ultra long runtime, 28 hours under one fan mode, smart temperature control, one size fits all. Let's see, cool or warm instantly, long time use per charge, smart temperature control, one size fits all. Okay, let's see, 5,000 RPM brushless motor, memory silicone, you got cooling plates, charging ports, digital display. Okay, so this is the 2S. Okay, now look at this. 18 watt fast fuel. I like that. Comes with your USB Type-C charging cable. Of course, you got your usual books and shit, plug them and file them. Now this one actually comes with a nice case. This is a very unique looking case. I like that already. Okay, excellent zippage. Let's go ahead and check this one out. Okay, now again, if you got a big neck, this is gonna fit. Okay, power button, charging port, okay, and your multifunctional button. So let's go ahead and figure this one out. All right, so the battery died on this one, but we can plug it in and check it out. So you got your power button. You see we got fan 1, fan 2, and fan 3. Now if you hit the button on the other side, that'll switch between cool. So now we got cool 1, cool 2, and cool 3. And if we hold it down, now we got heat. So we got heat 1, heat 2, and heat 3. So I'm gonna leave this on for a minute and let's see how hot it gets. All right, so I had this one sitting for about a minute. Let's check this heating plate. We up to 94. Okay, so it did get nice and hot. Now we're gonna turn it on to cooling mode. Okay, and we'll let it sit for another minute. Matter of fact, you can actually feel those fans. You can hear them. But let's let it cool down. All right, so I had it sitting for about a minute. Let's check it now. We down to 66. Now, don't let the numbers fool you. This is actually cold. Okay, it's really cold on the inside of this. And as you can see, the battery is charging up. And I'm using it at the same time. I like this, and you can feel all of that wind coming from the top. Again, nice amount of stretch on this. Hot and cold. Okay, so this is the Coolify 2S. Let's keep it moving. All right, so last up, we got the Coolify Cyber. Now this one is gonna run you $260. And on a side note, this is my favorite neck air conditioner to date. This is the best one. Now I know somebody's gonna say, how do you know? You didn't even take it out the box yet. Hold on, all right, hold on. Check this out. This one has app control. You got high-speed, multi-directional airflow. You got Coolology. That's my word. Let me go ahead and grab a little unboxing knife. We got the John Wick. Here we go. Right. Okay. Now this one has smart app control, which I'll show you in a minute. You got rapid immersion. Okay. Speedy recharge, 20 watt fast charge. Okay. Powers the device to 100% at fast speeds. Widespread cooling, ergonomic engineering, 6,000 milliamp large battery. This one right here is incredible. Okay, so let me go ahead and take this off. Here we go, Coolify Cyber. First of all, look at this presentation. Okay, this is what I like to see. Inside, look at this carrying case. Of course, you got your charging cable, usual books and shit, plug them and file them, and that's pretty much it. Now, for the actual Coolify Cyber. This one has dual zippers. This is a nice case. Can we take a second and appreciate this? Okay, nice little carrying case. Nice zippage on this. Check this one out. Now, this one does come in a few different colors. This is the big boy right here. Now, I know somebody's going to say, how do you know it's the best one? Hold up. I'm actually wearing this one right now. Now, I've been using this one for about 2 weeks. This is what I use when I'm making my videos down here in the summertime and it's hot. I can't have my AC on. I got this on. I'm going to tell y'all a story too. I took this to Florida for Maya's cheerleading competition. This is a game changer right here. This is a game changer. First of all, look at the amount of stretch on this. Okay? No matter what size neck you got, it's going to fit. And here's a little hack. You can wear this like this, or you can wear it in the front and have the air going down the front of your chest. Like I said, I got a big back. I'll be sweating a lot. This is a game changer. Let me show you how it works. So you power this one up. You see? It's blue. That means it's cooling. So we got 30, 60, and 100 programmed already. That's off. 30 and 60. That's 100. Now watch this. Green, that means fan only. Okay, so now we could do 60, 100, or we could go cool, 60 and 100. But wait, there's more. If I hold it down, now we got heat. So we could do heat, 30, 60, and 100. Now we could do increments if we use the app. There's going to be a charging slot right here. You got another LED on this side, and watch this. I'm going to turn it off. Let's grab a plug this in. You get your charge animation. How dope is that? But wait, there's still more. I'm going to pull out my phone. Okay. Let's take it over to the Torras app. Now from the app, watch this. I can turn on the heat. And now instead of 30, 60, or 100, you see I got it on 1. I can do whatever number I want. So I can do 39, 67. I can dial it into the exact amount of heat that I want. Or I can switch, okay, and it shows you where the air is coming from. That's cold or just fan. Okay? Same thing, I could have just the air coming from these vents or just the back. Now you can have favorites. This is my favorite. Maximum air from the front, the back, and the bottom. Air is coming from the bottom and both sides on the top. This one right here is the real deal. Now you can also put it on auto. It's going to use your body temperature and the ambient temperature outside and automatically go to the temperature that it feels that you need. And you can also do a timer. So I can just set it to stay on for 4 hours and fall asleep with it on. But me, I like maximum coldness just like this. This is so dope. Now I'm going to leave it on cold. Let's let it run for a minute and then we'll check the temperature. Matter of fact, we'll start with heat. Let's start with heat. So we'll hold this down. Okay. We're going to turn it into heat mode. Let's do maximum heat. And if you notice, you see it switching on the app at the same time. Sick. All right, so we'll leave it on maximum heat for a minute. Okay, so I'll let this sit for a minute. Let's check. Okay, we got it. Look at this. It's at 100 on that side for the back. 99. This side. Over 100. Okay, 98, 99. All three sides are nice and warm and toasty. Now watch this. We're going to switch it over to, let's get maximum cooling. Okay, and we're going to let this cool down for a minute. Okay, so I'll let this run for a minute. Here we go. The back is at 64. This side, okay, we had 68. This side, 67. Again, the numbers don't do it justice. It's actually cold. And the thing about this one, you got air coming from the bottom and on the top. Just like it shows in the picture, air is coming from the bottom and both sides and on the back. So that's a lot of air. The air is going right down your back. And like I said, sometimes I like to wear this forward and have the air shooting down my chest. This is insane. Now let me show you what it looks like when you're wearing it. Now, one quick side note, with the Coolify 2S, you also have app control. So watch this. I got cooling on gentle, natural, or strong. You can have it on maximum. I can switch between fan and heat. And watch this. I can switch over to my other Coolify and turn this one on. How dope is that? So if I'm chilling with my girl, we can both control them from the same phone. That is epic. All right, so check this out. Now I got all three of these on right now, running cold. Look at this. This one is on 60, 60, and 60. All of these get ice cold. But the big boy, the Cyber, the air coming from the bottom and the tops, this is the one right here. Okay, if you got a big back, this is the one that you want. Let's kind of wrap this video up. All right, so here's how it looks on my neck. And like I said, no matter what size neck you got, this is gonna fit comfortably. Now I'm doing my little outside workout. I got the fans going, I'm nice and cool. This is mandatory. If you got a big back like me and you sweat a lot, you're gonna love this, trust me. All right, so the easiest way to rank these is like this. The Coolify Air, you got the cooling plate on the back. It gets hot, it gets cold, you can feel the fans. I love it. The Coolify 2S, even greater. More cooling plates, it gets hot, it gets cold, you can feel the air, you got the app. But the Coolify Cyber, this one is the best. Cold, hot, more cooling plates, but the fan coming from the bottom, this is so clutch. Now I like to wear this backwards because I get a lot of sweat down the front area. I like to have the wind blowing right down my chest. This is a game changer. Tried and true, okay? When I had this out in Florida, I had to walk about 3 miles at ESPN Zone. When I got into the arena and I sat down and I put this on, you know how many people was like, yo, where did I get this from? Anybody that I let hold this was like, nah, I need this. This is the truth right here. Another quick story, I had to clean out my attic the other day, so I'm walking up and down 3 flights of stairs, carrying all these boxes. I had this on my neck. This is so clutch. This is so clutch. Anyway, we got 3 new neck air conditioners from Torras. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah. One more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture be rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spot 1 to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.